Use of in, on and under. Look, say and learn. Use of in. A dog is in a kennel. A ball is in a net. An egg is in a nest. A duck is in a pond. A rat is in a hat. A fish is in the water. Use of on. A dog is on a log. A boy is on a mat. A pen is on a book. A rat is on a bat. A fox is on a box. A bird is on a tree. Use of under. A cat is under a car. A bear is under a tree. A cap is under a table. A dog is under a table. A doll is under a chair. A bird is under a tree.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.